Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jen Rodriguez. Today we are reviewing this 13x4 lace wig from Stema Hair. Stay tuned. Alright you guys, per usual, we're going to do a little unboxing and see what we have inside. Here is the queen of the hour. If it looks a little crazy, it's because I did wash it first and let it air dry. So I'm showing you the overall texture that it comes out of the box in, but it does not look all crinkly like that. That's me. But it is super long, 200% density, 22 inches, 13x4 lace. This lace is pre-plucked and it has baby hairs already. I'm going to try to achieve a little less of a baby hair look, but the inside cap is super comfortable. It comes with 2 combs on the side and a comb in the back and a little extra lace there too. So right now I'm adding a little makeup to the lace that's on the wig, and I'm also going to add some makeup to my wig cap. I don't know why I haven't been doing this before, but I can tell you that I feel like it made a huge difference. So I'll definitely be doing it here on out. One thing that I did forget to do in this particular video too is to actually spray down the wig cap. I'm going to do that too because it does like to slide around, and I feel like that does affect the wear on the wig. Now this moment right here when that wig flipped over, oh, that was like a moment for me. I fell in love with this wig instantly. It's that 200% density. I know now that's exactly what I like. If I'm going to wear a wig, especially a body wave wig, I want volume. I don't want it to feel like my hair. I want it to feel like my hair, but not my hair, right? Because my hair is not this voluminous. I just love it. The pattern is gorgeous. The lace feels great and comfortable. It's probably one of the better laces that I've worked with, especially for someone who's not I'm a little bit more of a novice when it comes to this. I'm still learning. So I'm going to go ahead and lay this down like I normally do, spraying half the head with the Gas to Be spray and then blow drying it down and then moving to the other side of the head. I just need to stress again, this lace here, y'all, is just phenomenal. I'm laying it down, I'm blow drying it down, and I'm just feeling it and seeing it melt. I will say that what helped me do this a lot easier this time around was pre-cutting the lace around the ears. So instead of trying to do that with the wig on, because, as you'll see, I'll have to use a different kind of scissors. I can't find my shears right now. I went ahead and cut that around the ears, and it made it so much easier. I honestly think in the future, I might go ahead and cut a little bit more lace off pre-putting it on, just because I just feel like it's a lot easier. So I'm kind of moving some of the hairs out of the way. This time I think I'm going to go with a lot less of a baby hair look. So I'm going to go ahead and press all of that hair back so I can kind of see where I need to cut. Now that I have the hair out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace. I'm going to do some slits near the temples of the head on each side, one slit on each side, and then I'm going to cut in a zigzag section as close to that hairline as possible. I tried to avoid cutting a lot of baby hair off. I think I was pretty much good at it. I'll have to see the next time I wash it because I did slick a lot of that back. But y'all, these scissors are not the move, so make sure you have some small, sleek scissors to work with or use razors. I'm not a razor person. I may have to become one to avoid this issue in the future. I think they just look more natural. So one day I'll give it a try, but right now I would just recommend using shears if you have them. So here's one of my favorite tips, you guys. If you don't have black edge control or edge control in the color of your hair, I recommend getting some. For me, I just like to be able to go back over that lace and create additional hairs using the black edge control. So you can either use a makeup brush. I used to use black eyeshadow in the past, but I feel like just adding a gel factor or something to hold the hair back is a lot more efficient. So I'm using black edge control again, not to create baby hairs with it, but to just add additional hairs and help cover that lace a little bit more. So now that I have everything kind of not glued down but secured, I'm going to go ahead and tie the wig down and style it. So I went ahead and used my water bottle to re-wet the wig a little bit. It got really dry and I just want to kind of reinforce the curl pattern that it comes with. So I'm just going to kind of wet everything down and try to get it as saturated as I can without getting it soaking wet, and also make sure that it's evenly moisturized throughout the hair. So I don't want the back to be super dry while the front is super wet. So I'm just kind of moving the hair around and making sure I spray it evenly throughout the entire wig. Once I do that, you already know I'm going to go ahead and style it with my Old Faithfuls, my pattern leave-in conditioner. I'm going to put that in first, kind of start at the bottom and work my way to the top, trying not to manipulate the hair at all, but just really smoothly use my fingers to separate the curls while putting that in. That just gives such a nice soft effect to the hair and doesn't oversaturate it. Of course, you can add as much as you want with this product, which is what I love about it. And then I'm going to use the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. This stuff is super thick. I probably could have used more, but because the hair was starting to dry really fast, I just didn't want to add a bunch of product on dry hair. So I kind of went back and re-wet throughout as I needed to. But this stuff works like a charm, and I'm just kind of brushing the top down. I don't have any mousse, so I'm using what I can to kind of just smooth that top down by the part. I'm really getting into the look where it's smooth at the top, but it starts to get curlier toward the bottom. For some reason, that's my thing. I like sleek curly hair, so that's what I do with that. And it's looking really, really good. Nice, luscious, wet curls. That's what I'd like to see. We'll see how it dries at the end of the video. As I'm taking off my wrap, the sides aren't really as secure. Well, one side isn't that secured, which is totally fine. I don't really care about the sides too much, and I can come back and fix it. But as far as I can see, everything looks really good. So I'm just going to kind of rearrange the hair a little bit, cut where I need to, and there's my lace. So I feel like it looks so natural. I left just enough hair out to cover the lace in the front, but I'm loving how this looks and feels, but it feels so secure. The hair is soft. The hairline in the back looks great. I did leave a little bit of my hair left out so you can kind of see how natural that looks. So I'm just trying on a couple headbands that came with the wig. I'm so glad that they included some, even though it's not a headband wig. They came with accessories, which is nice. But that's my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss a thing, because I'll be back real soon with another video. But I will catch you all again soon. Bye.